A dangerous weather system is rapidly forming, and it's setting up to slam southeastern Australia with chaos this weekend. Satellite imagery already shows a massive cloud band stretching across Western Australia, linking with a powerful cold front over the Southern Ocean, a classic setup for severe weather. High above, tropical moisture is being dragged in from the Indian Ocean while a surge of colder, drier air crashes in behind it, creating a volatile and explosive clash in the atmosphere. This is where things escalate fast. Storms and heavy rain are now pushing east into South Australia. While a new low-pressure system is intensifying closer to land, this system is expected to unleash widespread impacts across the southeast. Storm risks are already rising, especially across parts of Western Australia, and expanding toward South Australia. Severe thunderstorms are possible, with damaging wind gusts posing the biggest immediate threat. By the weekend, the system grows stronger. Winds intensify especially along coastal areas as storms spread across South Australia and begin impacting New South Wales and Victoria. The danger zone keeps expanding. Powerful winds remain a major risk, capable of causing damage and disruption as the system moves further east. It sweeps across New South Wales, Victoria, and Tasmania, with storms developing ahead of the main system. Conditions stay unstable, with strong winds continuing and no quick relief in sight. Storms stretch from southern Queensland through inland, New South Wales and into Victoria, and the threat level rises again. Heavy rainfall now becomes the main danger, with flash flooding possible in parts of northeast Victoria, southern New South Wales, and even near Melbourne's outer suburbs. Even as the system begins to move through, it continues to drive showers and strong winds across Victoria and Tasmania. Rainfall will be widespread, but some regions could be hit significantly harder, especially northeast Victoria and southern New South Wales. Tasmania is also likely to see notable rainfall totals. While some areas may benefit from the rain, the intensity could still lead to localized impacts. Along the coast, another threat emerges. Large waves and abnormally high tides could increase the risk of coastal flooding. This risk is particularly elevated along South Australia and Victoria coastlines. Before all of this hits, extreme heat is building, with temperatures soaring well above normal for May and potentially breaking records. Night temperatures may stay unusually high, while daytime heat pushes into the mid-30s, creating a dangerous lead-in to the system. Then comes a sudden shift. Cooler air surges in, bringing a sharp temperature drop and a dramatic change in conditions. This is shaping up to be a high-impact weather event, and conditions could change fast. Stay alert. Western Australia, WA, this is where it all begins. Storms are already firing up across the southern interior and Eucla region. Expect thunderstorms, sudden wind bursts, and unstable skies. Conditions here will act as the trigger before everything shifts east. South Australia, SA. This is where things start to turn serious. As the system moves in, widespread storms and strong winds will sweep across the state. Coastal areas face dangerous gusts and rough seas, while inland regions brace for intense storm activity. This is the gateway to the main impact zone, Victoria, VIC, one of the hardest hit regions. Expect heavy rainfall, flash flooding risks, and powerful winds, especially in the northeast and Gippsland. Areas near Melbourne could see sudden downpours and disruptive weather. This is where flooding concerns become very real. New South Wales, NSW, a major danger zone. Storms will stretch across the state, from inland areas to the south. The biggest threat? Torrential rain and flash flooding, especially in southern and central regions. Conditions could turn dangerous quickly with rapid rainfall accumulation. Queensland, QLD, southern parts. Storm activity extends into southern Queensland, bringing thunderstorms and unstable conditions. While not the worst hit, the region still faces localized heavy rain and storm risks. Tasmania, TIS. As the system moves through, Tasmania will see persistent showers, strong winds and rough coastal conditions. Rainfall could build up, especially in northern parts, with chilly and unsettled weather dominating. Australian Capital Territory, Canberra, and surrounding areas will be caught in the system, facing rain bands, gusty winds, and possible storm activity, especially as the system peaks. Coastal Monotic, South Coast, SA and Vic. A hidden but serious threat, abnormally high tides and large waves. Coastal flooding risks increase, especially during peak tides. Final warning. This is not just a normal weather event. We're looking at a multi-day, multi-threat system, combining storms, extreme winds, heavy rain, flooding risks, and dangerous coastal conditions. And the most unpredictable part? Conditions can escalate very fast. Stay alert. This system has the potential to catch people off guard.